been dropped off at a little bus stop thing somewhere. So we will see if we get to Sapa or not. At the minute it's looking a bit sketchy.
A very disgruntled man just throwing tickets at us.
How the nice view's gonna go, just as I start filming.
Hello for you. Oh, what's that? Don't want that. Don't want that on camera.
This cat likes these as well.
I mean, they are quite cheesy. Oh. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's pretty much silent, except for crickets and probably a couple of frogs. So we've just got here.
We're quite far out of the centre of Sapa.
Yeah, about 20 minutes.
Probably more 30, 35
yeah.
to be fair.
Came down some really bumpy roads, which I'll show you.
Yes. But we didn't want to stay in the centre because when you'll see the view in the morning, this is the rice fields behind us. So they've got a little fire going on down there.
It looks lovely. Yeah, and big TV screen. But yeah, we got here at about 8:30, 8 o'clock.
Yeah, had
So
some
it's
food.
9 o'clock now. We've only just had some food.
Tired. We've
Very
been
tired.
travelling all day.
It was a nice sleepy bus though this time.
The last bit was. But
Yeah.
It was a lot of on and off, on and off. Like, what are we doing? Are we going? Are we coming? Like, no one had a clue what we were doing. Then they were trying to shove us onto a bus when we got here. We had about, 15 taxi drivers around us?
Yeah.
At one point, I was like, no, we've got someone coming to pick us up.
Yeah. And the first bus driver was asking us where we were being dropped off in Hanoi. We were like,
You should know that.
we don't know. We booked through you. You're dropping us off.
It costs £25 for 2 nights for both of us, and that includes breakfast.
Not coffees.
Not coffee, so apparently. But the taxi here costs 250,000. So
An automatic bike is 150,000. So that's 50,000 more than last two places.
it is more expensive up here, but you're also paying for the view and the experience of being up in the rice fields, so you don't mind paying it.
You're very far out of main Vietnam here.
Yeah.
So see you later.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna
rolling, mate. You've been rolling.
Hello. Oh, you're pretty.
Oh, no. At least that looks nice. Back in Egypt. Ooh, cold. We go to that pasta one.
Sapa.
Oh, cold. This is Sapa. Goosebumps.
It's not even that cold. In fact, to be honest, it's quite warm. So we've just got to Tramsot V, something like that.
Cat.
Cat. So there's the ticket, well, that's not the ticket booth, that's where they check your tickets. And you buy them about 100 metres down there for some reason. Not sure why.
He's supposed to do that.
So it's another place where the kids sort of harass you for a little bit of cash.
You have to make sure you keep your hands on everything because they'll take stuff out your pockets and then you have to give them money to get it back.
This.
cute little seating areas. Like up, that's where I was trying to find before, but I've got a dress on, so I thought let's not go up there. But there's loads of like cute little swings and yeah, more little seating spots, the bridge. I was on the swings here. This is also like a shack thing. So it is cute.
Bit of a weird vibe.
Yeah, it is. Like you pay to come in here, but then obviously they want money for restaurants and everything else. So I can't quite work out. I thought we were like coming to see a little village, but it's still very cute though. Lots of good photo opportunities.
It is a bit weird around here.
I know, I literally can't work it out.
It's like a little theme park, but quite touristy.
You've just sort of like paid to come into a really built up town. That's supposedly traditional, but really they're just trying to sell you stuff all the time.
It's a bit of a theme park. It's quite nice, but
There's some cute photo spots, but it just feels really I don't even know, are we still in it? Are we in it? Or
Yeah, please do not enter ethnic houses unless designated.
all in all, I'm not entirely sure I can advise people to go.
It is cute, but I just don't understand it.
It's cute, but it definitely is a big tourist trap. They charge you to go in, and they charge you for food and everything else.
Well, no, I just wasn't expecting it to be like just basically full of restaurants. Like, obviously, it doesn't matter if they charge you for food.
Well, yeah,
it's
but
just like we've just come from a town where you can just walk through for free, and yet they charge you to come in here. The little seats and stuff are very cute, but
and the little like
it's
like a bit of a petting zoo at the bottom. It's just
there's like lambs and goats, but I've got a feeling if you pick them up, you've got to pay for that anyway. So
yeah. But if you want some nice pictures, then yeah, it's only what was it? 90,000, 180 for two. So it's not bad.
Wait, what? Oh, 180 for two. I thought you meant 180,000 is £2.
No.
No, 100. Well, it's about £3 to get in.
Yeah. So yeah, if you're here, you might as well if you've got time.
Yeah, I think it's worth £3.
Yeah. So this bit's free.
Very bumpy.
Who did?
K-pop group.
So the card machine's broken, so we're gonna have to give some cash to the taxi driver, and he'll bring it back. But
He's sitting there because we're like half an hour away from the centre where a cash machine is.
yeah.
It's so cute.
And we've got a sleeping bus at 2, so that'd be fun. Ooh.
Good morning. I'm not very comfortable on these chairs, you know. Yeah.
We like this place.
we're just about to leave. Open the door. Guess who comes in?
My best friend.
The cutest little kitten in the world. Yeah. It's right, isn't it? You like me and Lauren? I mean, me and Joe. Oh.
Can you get that out of my face, please? We do love these cats, but we don't condone their breeding.
No. Because their ears flop due to lack of cartilage, and that also affects the rest of their body.
Gives them arthritis.
Yes.
Does it? It give you arthritis?
So although they're very cute, we would never have one. That's it, that's coming home with us now.
Do you want to go to Thailand? So we weren't sure which bus we were going to be on. There's a lot cheaper bus behind us with 3 seats either side, so one down the middle. You get a lot less room. This one, get our own little private cabin so I can go, bye Lauren. This was what, £13 each? Yeah, so not too bad.
For about a 6-hour
6-hour trip down to Hanoi. The other one was did you say 7 or 9? 9, yeah. So I'll film a little bit of the trip and we'll see you when we get there. Six hours later, just getting there. Felt very long, this one. Not sure why.
So, back in Hoi An. This is how we walk around.
My front bag weighs about as much as my back.
It does, because the laptop's very heavy. And we was at the airport the other day and they were weighing hand luggage, and you can't be above like 7 kilograms, and that's like 10 kilograms. So we were panicking a little bit, but they didn't even weigh our bags, so we got lucky with that one. I've never seen them do that before. So that's fun. We're just walking to our hotel now for the next 2 nights.